What's going on, everyone? Josh from Theme Park Journey here, coming to you from the ferry boat on my way over to Magic Kingdom to get some footage of the new Tron Coaster and see what other shenanigans I can get into today. It's kind of a hot day. It's supposed to rain today, so I'm not 100% sure how much filming I am going to try to get done today. Got another ferry boat passing us, the Admiral Joe Fowler. And way off in the distance, if you can see it, right there is the castle. I am here on the People Mover, and the Tron Coaster is going to be right over there. So we're going to try to get some good footage from up here. I do have a fast pass for a Barnstormer in a little bit. I heard that the queue line actually has a way better view of stuff. So we'll head over there in just a little bit and check it out. I'm just going to enjoy the ride on the People Mover and see what kind of footage I can get. And now that the construction of the Tomorrowland Speedway is complete, they have reopened it. I do have a fast pass for that later. I'm going to see if I can handle this Florida 98-degree weather and hang out and possibly go do that later and get some footage. But coming up, here it is. Off in the distance, you can see it, Tron Coaster. There's a lot of track up compared to the last time I was here. Way more track than I expected. This is actually very exciting for me. I do look forward to this coaster. And I feel like Disney kind of just doesn't really care if you get a view of it from here. I think they're kind of advertising it from here. I think the lights are on in Space Mountain. Oh, they are on. Check it out. Ooh, the lights are on. That's awesome. Look at that. That's so cool.
Paging Mr. Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow. Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon.
This is actually kind of cool. I never get to come in here with the lights on. I'm kind of excited. And I never realized how slow you moved right here. Wow, there's not really much going on up here. Coming up to the glass part. And that's the end of that. Still kind of cool to come through Space Mountain with it very quiet and with the lights on. We're going to get one more good view of the Tron Coaster from up here in just a few.
Welcome back to Tomorrowland. Be sure to visit Space Mountain while you're here for an adventure that's out of this world.
And Star Wars here isn't open yet. Doesn't the Star Wars one open in August? Yeah. It's Memorial or Labor Day, I think.
Managed to get a fast pass for this. I will be riding it later. We'll get a up-close view of the new track layout that they did for the Tomorrowland Speedway. Looks like they actually may have painted all the cars too. That's kind of nice to see, considering they were looking pretty bad. And then way off in the distance, you can kind of see the Tron Coaster underneath the People Mover. There's actually no one in line for Astro Orbiter, so might as well take full advantage of it. Finally riding the Astro Orbiter after many years of saying what's the point of riding it and all that jazz. I figured why not ride it? So let's see how fun this really is, because it's been a long time since I've ridden it.
Control lever forward. Thank you. Pilots, prepare for liftoff.
Wow, I kind of forgot how high this goes. Let's do it. On the road again. Now, when I do this, I like to try to actually not hit the side, but while filming it's kind of hard. But we'll see what I can do. Hoping when we make the corner around here you can see some of the Tron Coaster. This may not be a new layout, but I feel like it's a lot shorter. I don't know, like, it just feels so much shorter to me, but it's still pretty fun. If some of you didn't know, because of Arrow, we get this beautiful ride. They are the ones that created that solid bar in the middle of the track that help guide the vehicles. I don't know if you can see it right there. And just like that, the ride is pretty much over. It was fun. I don't know, I still feel like it's a lot shorter than what it used to be. But it's always fun just to go around on the speedway once in a while. I got a fast pass for it, so hey, why not? Not many people know about this Cinderella wishing well back here to the right of the castle. If you come down the path from Tomorrowland, which is going to be right there, but you can throw coins in there. It does allow you to do that. That is water. I don't know if you can see the coins down there. You kind of can. But yep, Cinderella's wishing well back here behind the castle. And if you follow the path along, it does take you behind the castle. Decided to ride Dumbo. 15-minute wait. Why not, right? It's been a while since I've done it. I think the last time I've done it was probably maybe a year or two ago. It's always a fun little ride. I mean, 15-minute wait, you can't go wrong. I think we're about to fly. Let's go for a ride. Here we go. Woo! Oh my god. I'm a little scared of heights. I'm just kidding. We're going up high. Oh, it's struggling. It's struggling. There we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is amazing. Look at that view. Whoop. Look, you can see Astro Orbiter. I was just riding that the other day. Just kidding, it was today. And they built another Dumbo. There's two of them. I just like to stay up in the air. Get a good view. Here at the beginning of Magic Kingdom, and this is due to the fact that the Tron Coaster is being built, so they had to shut down the train. So you get to do a little photo opportunity with it, or take a video like I am doing myself. So that was kind of cool. Well everyone, that concludes my video here at the Magic Kingdom of the Tron Coaster Construction update coming in 2021. Feel free to